Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing the Oracle LED flush taillights for the Jeep Gladiator. Been waiting months for these since they were on back order forever, so I'm excited to get these installed and let's get into it. First side done. On to the next. First step is to remove the stock taillights. So you're just going to undo these two little bolts right here to get this one off. Once you unscrew it, you're just going to pull it out to pop those two little pieces out. Like that. Alright, once you have the taillight unscrewed, next you're going to unplug the stock light housing. Over here. And then before we go on any further, I'm just going to use some Adams waterless wash to clean around. Okay, so when you take the taillight out, you're going to notice that it has two different clips. If you have the halogen taillights that come with the Sport S 80th, I believe that's it, some Rubicons might come with it, then you only have to worry about this plug. But if you just have the LED ones that come on the Rubicons, Mojaves, then you have to worry about this, but I'm just going to leave that alone because I don't need it. Next step is to put the 3M tape that they give you on the back of the LED resistor. Stick that on, and then we're gonna mount that in here. Okay, so now we're going to mount the LED resistor. You can just put it anywhere that you can get it to stick. Alright, that step is done. Take the rock off. Plug that in. Push this up to lock it. Here is the finished product. So much better than the stock ones. Nice and flush with the side. And they're bright as hell, which is very good, especially with tinted windows because I could never see back camp.